everyone, welcome back. Today we're sharing 30 essential hygiene tips tailored specifically for girls. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your habits, these tips will help you feel fresh and confident every day. 1. Shower daily, using mild soap and warm water. 2. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle facial cleanser to remove dirt and oil. 3. Use a clean towel to pat your skin dry after washing to prevent irritation. 4. Change your underwear daily, opting for breathable fabrics like cotton. 5. Wash your hands frequently, especially before eating or touching your face. 6. Trim and clean your nails regularly to prevent bacteria buildup. 7. Brush your teeth at least twice a day and floss daily to maintain oral hygiene. 8. Replace your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months or sooner if bristles are frayed. 9. Use a mouthwash to freshen breath and kill bacteria. 10. Wear sunscreen daily to protect your skin from harmful UV rays. 11. Moisturize your skin after showering to keep it hydrated and supple. 12. Avoid sharing makeup brushes or cosmetics to prevent bacterial infections. 13. Wash your makeup brushes and sponges regularly to remove buildup. 14. Change your pillowcases and bed sheets weekly to prevent acne and bacteria buildup. 15. Shave or wax as needed, using proper techniques to avoid irritation or ingrown hairs. 16. Use a deodorant or antiperspirant to control body odor. 17. Cleanse behind your ears. Often overlooked, but dirt and oils can accumulate behind the ears, leading to odor or irritation. 18. Cleanse your feminine area with mild, unscented soap and water. 19. Avoid douching, as it can disrupt the natural balance of bacteria and increase the risk of infections. 20. Change tampons or pads every 4 to 8 hours during menstruation to prevent bacterial growth. 21. Wash your hair regularly with a gentle shampoo suitable for your hair type. 22. Use conditioner to keep your hair moisturized and manageable. 23. Avoid using hot tools on your hair too frequently to prevent damage. 24. Trim your hair regularly to prevent split ends and maintain a healthy appearance. 25. Clean your hairbrushes and combs regularly to remove buildup and bacteria. 26. Keep your feet clean and dry, especially between the toes, to prevent fungal infections. 27. Wear clean socks daily and rotate your shoes to prevent foot odor and infections. 28. Practice good posture to prevent back pain and maintain overall body health. 29. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day. 30. Get enough sleep to support overall health and well-being. Thanks for watching. We hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay clean and confident.